first order of business, going to be getting it all cleaned up. Well, the good news is I found no snakes or mice or scorpions or anything inside. It's really a pretty solid car. Hood's got some damage down in that area. First thing I want to do though, before I do anything else, is get that engine running just so I can see what kind of shape it is. See if the car will drive. See what the transmission and clutch is like. The interior cleaned up pretty good. The doors, neither one of the doors operate correctly. Something wrong with the latching mechanism inside. Needs a little work in here, but it's not horrible. A little bit of rust right here. So I'll have to replace this whole back shelf here. A little bit of body damage down in this area here. Not too bad. So let me raise it up in the air and see what the underneath side looks like. The glass is all pretty good. So it's not going to be too bad of a project. Hopefully it'll be mostly cosmetic and that engine will run fine. I won't have to do too much to that. Doesn't look bad under here. Floor's pretty nice actually. I don't see any rust in them anywhere. I'm sure that gas tank needs to be cleaned out. There is going to be a little rust repair work. You can see right in this area especially. Up here on this driver's side fender as well. Grill's not in good shape. Bottom of the hood's a little bit mangled there. This side, a little bit of rust here. A little bit here too. So kind of the rocker areas on both sides is going to be the most attention required on the body.